But he's trying to pull one. He's trying. He is trying. Trying to see if I can get closer here without scaring them off. Because any slight movement and these guys go scattering. We call the mourning doves potatoes because of how they look. They kind of look like waddling potatoes. Oh, there they go. There they go. Oh, there's a big fat robin. There he is. Right down there. Under the table.
Look at him. There's a big boy.
Big fat robin. You can see the mourning doves over by the feeder. There's a male and a female. The male was hobbling after the female. Oh, it might be that female. I'm not sure. Damn, that's a big robin. The size of that big boy. It's a big one. One of the biggest robins I've seen. I was like, man, I gotta get this on video. And we got a couple big frogs in the pool.
Fat morning